everyone, it's Emily from Pittsburgh Festival Opera, and today I'm going to teach you how you can produce your own show at home. You have everything you need right at your fingertips, right in your home. So the things that you need are paper, a pencil, art supplies, your favorite songs, your closet, and your imagination. Are you ready? Wonderful. Okay, so the first thing to do is to choose 4 or 5 of your favorite songs. They don't need to be by the same singer or from the same movie or have anything to do with each other. But what I do want you to think about is I want you to think about how the songs could be connected. So I want you to make up a story using your imagination that connects the 4 or 5 songs that you have chosen. Once you've figured out which songs you want to use, write or draw pictures or words to connect the songs to each other. So for example, if I were to start with Let It Go, let it go, let it go. And then the second song I use is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I could write a show that connects Let It Go and Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star because once upon a time, there's an ice queen who has snow and ice powers. But she meets another magical spirit who has power of the stars. And so those are their 2 songs and they have a wonderful adventure together. So use your imagination, use anything you can possibly think of to come up with an amazing story. All right, I'll give you some time to work on your story. You can pause the video here while you write or draw. All right, once you have your story all written out, I want you to go into your closet and find some items to be your costumes. So a costume is what an actor or a singer wears on stage when they're performing as a character. The costume helps us become a different person on stage. So think about the characters that are in your story and try to find items of clothing, and you can use them in imaginative ways. For example, you could put socks on your ears. So to find costume pieces that could help create your character. All right, once you have some costume pieces together, the next step to do is to rehearse your show. Now, rehearse means to practice. And so when we are in the theater, we call it a rehearsal. So it's time for you to schedule some rehearsals and get practicing.